At Harmony Enterprises, our future-focused engineering department is always looking for ways to provide enhanced value and performance for our customers. They have done it again, staying ahead of the curve with the creation of Harmony's Legion electrical box, which helps to further stabilize baler excellence and provide baler diagnostics on vertical balers from Harmony Enterprises. Harmony's Legion box is an updated universal controls electrical box with several new features and benefits. This design has increased functionality that will soon help to standardize even more excellence across our non-automated vertical baler line, from our M30 STD small recycling baler all the way up to our M72 HD high-density baler. With this box, customers will find the baler easier to operate while reducing downtime and potential first call service trips with machine diagnostics. What's new on the Legion box? In addition to the keyed selector switch, the up and down buttons, and e-stop, this box incorporates a status light troubleshooting guide that informs the user of several important conditions, including ready to run, bale full, e-stop engaged, doors not closed, motor running, hand operation, auto operation, upper limit or pressure switch failures, and movement in the bale full condition. In the past, conditions like an upper limit or pressure switch failure would have to be detected by a technician's first visit service call. Then parts would need to be ordered and the tech would have to return to install parts on the baler. Now switches can either be adjusted with the help of Harmony Tech Support, or the tech can show up with the correct parts for repair on the first trip, reducing both downtime as well as travel and labor charges. This solution streamlines our equipment's controls, enhances real-time troubleshooting diagnostics, and optimizes our customer experience. When you are shopping for your next vertical baler, we encourage you to compare Harmony to the competition. Harmony offers the widest range of vertical baler solutions available on the market. We recognize that there is no one-size-fits-all baler, and we use our proven process to ensure that you are proposed exactly the right piece of equipment for your specific needs. Not only do we provide free quotes, site reviews, and customer referrals, we can show you case after case in which our durable balers have been in use for 20, 30, and even 40 years. Add with the innovative features and value created by our new standard Legion box, you owe it to yourself to call us at 507-886-6666 or contact us to learn more today.